Planting banana trees has been very beneficial for us because they constantly reproduce. Let me show you. Here is the mama plant on this side. I'm going to show you the banana stalk on the other side, but you can see that it's already produced 1, 2, 3 new babies. And if you go around to this side, you're going to see a nice banana stalk. What's really cool about this is we've been busy with a lot of other projects around the yard, and honestly I haven't even checked, and my husband came out and he said, did you know that we had another banana stalk on? I said no. So anyways, I came out to take some pictures, and one of the things that I wanted to show you is if you count right there, there are 10 bananas that will grow from that. Just this is one hand right here. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 still growing. So far there's 5. So this banana stalk already has 50 on it, and it's still growing. And banana trees can put on up to about 200 bananas on one stalk. So it just depends on how healthy, the type of bananas, etc. Ours tend to put on about 100, so we're pretty happy with that. But what I really love is that we have multiple banana trees because we really like bananas. So each of them will put on one stalk. So after it puts on one stalk, it will die, but that's okay because it's already put on babies. Now here's the biggest stalk over here, the biggest banana tree. Let me back up and get a picture over here. Okay, so you can see there's a big one, and it already has 3 small ones on. So it's already preparing for the cycle. So pretty soon we should have another banana stalk on this tree. And then that one will die. We'll cut it up and we'll use it for mulch. And then one of these, the next bigger one, will take over. This was the big one. Nine hands so far. 6 hands on this one, so not as big, but producing 6. That's great. So we have one small banana tree over here growing. We had so many, but there's 3, and there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3 big ones. And as I said, we've already got 3 small ones that put on over on the right side, 3 over on the left side. So we're really going to have continuous bananas. So I'm excited. We're going to have bananas here pretty soon. It takes a couple months for the whole process. So plant banana trees, plant fruit trees in your yard. They're always producing, they're growing, and they don't take a ton of maintenance. It's the initial part, planting and really getting them rooted and healthy, that takes a little bit of time. But after that, they really take off on their own, and before you know it, you're coming out here and you're taking pictures of banana stalk that you didn't even know was growing. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.